Today I will talk about how to increase your pull-up speed. So pull-ups are great exercise for developing upper body because pull-ups are compound movement. So it involves many muscle groups, and because of that it's great exercise for beginners. I always wanted to know how to increase pull-up speed, and I found a solution, of course, and I will share it with you. I started doing pull-ups with additional weight of 24 kilos, and my body is now accustomed to that. So all in all, my body weight to my muscle is 100 kilograms, not 75. And they think that I'm 100 kilograms heavy. And when I drop down that 24 kilos, my body weight is now 75 kilos, but they are not used to that. So because they have less force to pull up, they tend to pull me faster. Basic physics. So if you want to have greater pull-up speed, you need to have lower body weight than your muscles are accustomed to pull. So great way to boost your pull-up speed is to put some kind of weight on yourself and do pull-ups like that. And when your muscles get accustomed to that weight, let's say in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, and when you drop that weight down, you will do them fast. Basically, you accustom your muscles to higher weight, and when you drop down weight, you do faster. And I can think only on that way of increasing your pull-up speed with perfect form. Because of course you can train to do faster, but you will mess up your form probably. I wasn't able to do faster pull-ups without adding more kg to myself. So when I added 24 kilograms on myself, I was able to increase my pull-up speed. You can see video of me doing regular my body weight and with additional weight. And I think that is best way if you want to preserve your form and don't injure yourself. So that's it basically. If you want to have greater pull-up speed, try adding more weights to yourself. And when your muscles get used to more weight, you will do it easily. And don't forget to eat your carbs because muscles need glycogen, which is basically this, in order to work perfectly. So that's it for this video. Till we meet again, stay strong and think with your head.